look at this. It's a little making of. It was for the Mercury retrograde, and as you see, it's just about the environment changing, and it's so quick. But here's the slides. It was a bunch of different slides go together for an image that was on loop about 4 seconds, and there's the fine details here of the Mercury brightening, and for a brief moment it's upside down. After the sky activity was captured, I then started working on the interior. It was supposed to be all the chaos is going on in the sky outside and it's interfering with the inside. And as you see, so I started building up just a room. It was very basic. It took 3 hours from beginning to end. And yeah, there's a room, there's someone on a laptop, there's the mobile next to them, there's the phone, there's the light, there's the window, carpet and the wall. It's nothing special. And then here's the imagery that was shown just before that I built up, and yet it's Mercury and it's the chaos it's causing, down to the little environmental changes as you see here, the little inverted colour, and it's brightening, and the ringing of the phones, and the little subtle changes of expression with the character, and yeah, the lights flickering, the screen gets darker for a bit, yeah, environment changes, and this character may or may not notice it. Ringing, quieting down period, and as you see the little subtle changes of expression. And this was also a bunch of pictures, bunch of slides in its own right, and then inserts. I used Ibis paint. It's all just practice and concept, and that's it.